Okay, it definitely doesn't like the sound of my nails. This is creepy, dude. I don't know what to do. I'm afraid to get any closer. Oh God, it's walking this way. Oh fuck. It just dropped down somewhere in my pipes. What the fuck? I think it's a bird. I don't think it's a rat. I don't know what to do though. Oh my God, it's going through my pipes, dude. I mean, I could open this door. I guess, and see what would happen. I'm afraid to open it. Can I even open it? There we go. That should be open wide enough for something to get out. Oh my God, listen to this. It's definitely in there. I don't know what to do. Oh God. Dude, I can like hear it. In my, holy fuck, it's in my pipe somewhere. I don't want this shit to get in my furnace. That creaking is my dog walking upstairs. Okay, it definitely did not like that. It's got to be a bird. What the hell do I do? I can't take my equipment apart. Definitely sounds like it's in here now. Stuck in there somewhere. It's got to be a bird. I don't know what the hell to do, man. Oh, God. It's coming this way. Holy shit. Now it's this way. Things going crazy in there. Dude, come out through the friggin' door, will ya? Look, I opened the door. Holy shit. I don't know what to do. This thing is going friggin' nuts. I gotta call HVAC. The thing's just going back and forth on my pipes. Holy shit. Plus, I gotta get a different cap on the chimney. Oh my God, this thing's gonna die in here if I don't get somebody. I gotta call somebody right away. Okay, great. Now he's stuck right here. This is beautiful. Oh my God. I gotta call fire department or something to help me here. I should be able to get these screws out right here, I think. As long as it's not welded. And then I gotta catch the sucker. The fireman got it out! But you know what? It's a long story. Read below, please.